Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to share screen in WhatsApp application. You can share screen very easily. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in mobile screen. Let's start as a demonstration. So now let's start as a demonstration. Simply I call here with this mobile to that mobile and I just show it to you how to share screen. Just simply call here WhatsApp. So first of all you need to call always WhatsApp as a video call. So I just simply tab here. So video call is going on here and just simply receive the video call. I just simply mute both of the mic. And how to share screen, it's very easy. Just simply tap the screen here and scroll up, and here screen and one man logo is coming. You just simply tap here and look at this here, start broadcast option are coming. You just simply click here, start broadcast, and after that swap your screen like this, and boom, look at this here, my screen display here. If I open here the calendar is display here. You can share whatever you want, like a email related, Facebook related post, or any other task, like you can share your screen via YouTube videos also like this. And it's very easy to share entire screen one device to another device. So this is a simple tips and tricks to share WhatsApp screen one number to another number. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.